And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Today Text app not working properly. So let's get started. So here I will just search for here I can see the Today Text app. If it's not working, you have to follow these instructions. Just open it. So if it shows the error, then you have to clear the data. Just click on here. Just click on this button. You will be forwarded to app info. Then scroll down. Just click on the storage. Click on clear data, just delete and open it again. If it's work fine, then it's fine. If it's not work, then you have to just check for update. Go to at google.com or here at Google search bar and search for Today Tix app. Okay, and then you have to click on here. If you see the update button here, you can update and get a latest version and you can use. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.